Okay, so here's my screen with my class in Storybird. It's remedial English. And the grade, it has you put in the grade separately. It's 10th grade. So here's the class, my book that I published under it. Here's my students. I added 3 students. This is a temporary password, and I gave them a username so they can just log in with that. It's just waiting for students. So if they were real students, that's what they would do. And this is so to add, all I have to do. So I create a username. And then there we go. And then if this, I could do this for parents or students. If I wanted it to have an email attached, I could use the parent email and then add account, and it's just waiting. So there's that. And here I can make assignments for my students. I have the library where it shows everyone in the class that has written. And then here's the roster, and then back to the home page, and it'll have the books and everything. So that is my